Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will make lemon juice powder. Just mix it in water and a refreshing tasty lemon juice is ready in minutes. A perfect homemade juice powder without any preservatives or color. You can prepare this ready mix and store it for more than a year without any refrigerator. So let's start with the recipe. For this recipe we will need fresh and juicy yellow lemons. Here I am using these 12 lemons today. Just wash and wipe them. Now cut them into half. Cut all the lemons into 2 pieces. Now let's squeeze out the lemon juice. I am using this press to squeeze the lemons. From 12 lemons, I got this much of lemon juice. Add 1 teaspoon of grated ginger to this. Let's measure the juice. This is little less than 1 cup of lemon juice. Take a flat plate, add half of the lemon juice to the plate and take remaining half juice to another plate. Now I will add sugar. For 1 measure of juice, add 3 measure of sugar. You can measure with any cup or bowl. Just add 3 measure of sugar. Spread the sugar with a spoon. Spread it lightly. Do not mix it, as we don't want to melt the sugar. Now follow the same process for the second plate. Both the plates are now ready. Keep them in the dry place for drying. Keep it under fan for fast drying and don't keep it under the sun. After drying for 1 day, this is how the mixture looks. You can see it is not sticking to my hand. Now I am going to scrape the mixture. I will spread this again evenly. Now for the second plate also, I will repeat the same process. Scrape the mixture, mix it and spread it evenly. This scraping and mixing will help to speed up the drying process. Now keep the plates for drying once again. This is how it looks after 2 days. The mixture looks dried, but still there is some moisture left. Again I will scrape it and spread it and keep it under the fan for drying. This is our second plate and I will repeat the same procedure for second plate also. Now keep both the plates for drying again. This is the lemon juice mixture after 4 days of drying. It has completely dried and become like a rock candy. Second plate also looks good. Now it is ready to grind. Take the mixture into a mixie jar. Add half teaspoon of black salt and 1 teaspoon of salt. Also add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. You can add black pepper also if you want. Grind it to a fine powder. Our instant lemon juice powder is ready. It takes just 4 to 5 days to make this powder. Store it in an airtight glass container and it will stay good for a long time. Now let's prepare lemon juice from this powder. In a glass, take some ice cube. Then add some soaked sabja seeds. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice powder. Now add chilled water. Mix it well and that's it. Delicious and healthy lemon juice is ready in minutes. Prepare this powder once and enjoy the refreshing lemon juice the whole summer. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.